I bet you've never thought much about mushrooms, right? To most of us, they're just that thing you sprinkle on your pizza or saute for dinner. But what if I told you that mushrooms are actually nature's secret communication network? Yep, you heard that right. This isn't science fiction. Enter the fascinating world of mycelium, the hidden web of life beneath our feet that connects plants, trees, and fungi in ways science is only beginning to understand. Welcome to The Secret Life of Mushrooms, World's Natural Internet. All right, let's start with the basics. What actually is mycelium? Picture this. You're walking through a forest and see a patch of mushrooms growing. What you see there are just the fruiting bodies, kind of like the flowers of the mushroom world. But the real magic lies underground, where a vast, interconnected network of thread-like structures called mycelium is working tirelessly. These threads, known as hyphae, spread out like an underground web, forming connections that can stretch for miles. Truly mind-blowing, isn't it? Now, what's so special about this fungal fiber optic? Mycelium isn't just chilling underground for no reason. It actually serves as a form of communication. In fact, researchers often call it the wood wide web, a natural internet that connects plants, fungi, and sometimes even entire ecosystems. Through this network, nutrients and signals are exchanged, allowing species to collaborate and share resources. Basically, it's like a barter system, but instead of stockbrokers and money, we have trees and fungi trading nutrients like carbon and nitrogen. Fascinating, right? One study even found that mycelium networks can warn plants of a pest invasion. Imagine this. Plant A gets infested with aphids, and they send signals through the mycelium to plant B, saying, "Hey, better toughen up your leaves, the aphids are coming." By the time those aphids try to munch on plant B, they find that its defenses have tripled. That's teamwork on a level we humans could only dream of. This concept might be new, but indigenous cultures have recognized the interconnectedness of life for centuries. We're now finding scientific proof of what they've known all along. Nature doesn't just survive, it thrives on cooperation and connection. And the tech world is taking notes. The structure of mycelium is inspiring advancements in network technology. Computer networks, for example, are designed to mimic the resilience and efficiency of mycelial webs. Some scientists believe that studying mycelium could even help us build smarter, self-healing internet systems. Imagine infrastructure that could repair itself, just like a mycelium network regrows after being cut. Crazy, right? Speaking of regeneration, guess what? Mycelium could save the planet. Companies are using it as a sustainable material for everything from packaging to building bricks and even faux leather. These materials are biodegradable, durable, and require a fraction of the energy to produce compared to their synthetic counterparts. In other words, mushrooms might just be the superheroes our planet desperately needs. But wait, there's more. Researchers are working on incorporating mycelium into medicine. In 2022, scientists found that certain fungi have antibacterial properties, which could be the breakthrough we need to combat antibiotic-resistant bacteria. And let's not forget psilocybin, a compound in some mushrooms being studied for its potential mental health benefits. From depression to PTSD, the applications are promising. Now, while mycelium is a wonder of nature, it's not invincible. Climate change, deforestation, and soil degradation are disrupting these fungal networks. This is more worrying than you might think, because without mycelium's contributions, ecosystems lose their nutrient-sharing capabilities, which can lead to barren, lifeless soils. Protecting our forests and soils isn't just about saving trees. It's about preserving this incredible, invisible lifeline. So by now, you're probably wondering, how can you support this incredible fungal marvel? First, support sustainable farming methods that preserve soil health. Avoid excessive use of chemical fertilizers as they can harm mycelium. Second, plant trees and engage in local rewilding projects. Trees and fungi are BFFs after all. And finally, spread the word. The more people understand the role of mycelium in our lives, the more motivated we'll all be to protect it. To sum it up, mycelium is the unsung hero of the natural world. It teaches us that cooperation, not competition, is key to survival. It's nature's internet, a recycling plant, a medical research lab, and a climate warrior rolled into one. Maybe next time you see a mushroom, you'll take a moment to appreciate the mind-blowing network hidden beneath it. Nature's mycelial marvel is a blueprint for resilience, innovation, and sustainability. And that's a scientific fact worth sharing. Don't you agree?